Hello, students. Today we are going to look over a question on momentum, IGSE Physics. The question says the momentum of the car changes from 10,000 kg meter second to 15,000 kg meter second in a time of 8 seconds. What is the resultant force acting on the car? So the force is resultant force is given by change in momentum by the time. So now what is my change in momentum is 15,000 minus 10,000 over 8, then which gives me 5,000 over 8. Answer is 625 newtons. But now here it is, we have to get it two significant figures. So two significant figures, the answer will be 630 newtons. So answer is A. Thank you.